Kurt Hartlieb with Walstrom Marine. This is Boating Tips. Another video. Today we're going to talk about a ditch bag. What's in it, who should have one, and we'll go through the contents. You guys may see me in the summertime carrying this around on the dock when I jump on and off each boat. You go out for a ride, I'm always going to be carrying my ditch bags. Ditch bags are primarily going to be used for longer distance trips. It's probably overkill for water skiing on Walstrom Lake, but if you're going to Canada, if you're going on a long trip across Lake Michigan, if you're in Florida heading over to the Bahamas, it's a good idea to carry a ditch bag with you. First, we'll talk about the bag itself. This is a dry bag, it's waterproof. Inside, I have a Type 4 flotation device to make the bag buoyant in water. Over here is the safety gear. First would be a Type 5 life jacket with a strobe and a whistle attached. Next, an air horn for attracting attention. Also attracting attention, flares, and a signal mirror. Next, we'll talk about the electronic devices. This is a portable VHF radio. This particular model is waterproof and floats. This is a portable GPS so that I know my own coordinates. This is a PLB or personal locator beacon. This is very similar to an EPIRB. However, an EPIRB will be attached and assigned to a boat, and a PLB will be attached and assigned to a particular person. Next, I carry extra water, extra food. This is non-perishable, high protein snacks, stuff that I can toss in the bag and not worry about going bad. And then lastly, I have a flashlight with extra batteries, as well as a knife and multi-tool, just in case you have to cut line or free yourself from danger. If you need help putting together your own ditch bag, be sure to stop by any of our parts departments. This has been Boating Tips with Captain Kurt. Stay tuned for more videos.